Today I'm working on a 2005 Pontiac G6, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the radiator support bracket, and the one I'm going to be replacing is the one in the passenger side. And the way to get to this, you have to go through the bottom. I have my car jacked up. It has stands. So what I'm going to do now is go under the car with a 13mm socket and an impact gun. So here goes our bracket. As you can see, it is bent and it's held on by two 13mm bolts. I'm gonna take your 13mm socket. Remember, this one is a long one. And this one is a short one. And now all we have to do is just pull it this way. There it goes. Now we take our new one. Remember that this part here goes in the top. And sometimes we have to wiggle it to get it in there. So it takes a little wiggling. And there it goes. Make sure it's nice and aligned. The big one first. See how this works out. So there you go. You have replaced your radiator support bracket on your 2005 Pontiac G6. Later.